Is it visible now, the screen? Paint window?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll start now. Uh, this is for WCW. Okay. Right. Now we are going to see the Turing machine and the design of Turing machine for WCW. Okay. WCW. Right. Here we are having now two tracks. Right. I already told you that one. We are having two tracks. This is one track. Then another track also is there. Right. Here we are having now 0, 1, 1. Then we have to continue now W, C, 0, 1, 1. And then we are having blank space. So you have to consider the other end also we are having blank space, both end. Right. Right. So here we are having everything is blank space. The top, everything is considered as blank space. Here we have to consider now blank space. And then we are having now the string 0, 1, 1, C, 0, 1, 1. And then we are having now blank space also. Blank, blank. Now this is the case we have to consider. 0, 0, C, and then we are having blank space. Right. Now, here we consider now the 0, A, B, B, A, B, B. Right. Sure. Now this is C. Okay. This is C. Right. Then we are starting from here. We are having a finite control is having the that letter, right? So Q with one storage, that is blank space. Q with one storage we are having now. So this is one storage finite control. So that is we are having blank space now initially. That is start from the Q1. So Q1 is starting state and we are reading the first character. Okay. Reading the first character. Then first character that here the D is actually we are having now A or B or something C, A or B or C. So if you are having the letter A or B, D is here A or B. So we are having this is the blank space, this is A. So this combined together, we are having now this is B comma D, right? So that is actually B comma D. So the D is either A or B. The D is either A or B. So that is B of blank and A. Currently now we are having blank and A. So blank and A. So in that blank and A, what we have to do is we have to make the blank as tick mark and then we have to uh, leave it as it is as A and move to right. So that is first blank is going to have a tick mark. First blank is tick mark. So we are processing the first letter tick mark and then you have to move to right. So currently now we are moving to right and we are going to have the state Q2. In that Q2, we are saving this A, right? So this A is we are saving now. We are saving now this A. So current state is Q2 and we are gathering the current A. So what A we are taking now, we are taking now that along with U, and then we have to continue now, right? So that is we are going to have now the D, and then we are having whatever the next coming letters, then we have to skip. So blank space E, blank space E. Then E also A or B. So that is here we are going to have up to C. Up to C we are skipping now. Then skipping now in the Q2. Next we are having now blank with C. So this is blank with C in that position. Blank with C in that position, what we are going to have now. So that is here. Blank with C, it will go to Q3 state, and we are already we are having now this one. So this is in that place. We are having now Q3. The already the storage is there A. That is this D. The storage is there with A. Now here what we are going to have now. Then next we are going to have that one as we are having blank and a D. So that one is the first letter, right? So that D. So the D is we are having A. So the corresponding A is there. Then we have to make a tick mark. So this is also processing. So the corresponding one, and this is processing. This A for that A, the corresponding A is processing. So we are making a tick mark here. We are making a tick mark here. Then we have to continue now. So tick mark is that. Then it will go for Q4 state. In that Q4 state here, and then what we are going to have now, this Q4 is there. Then we have to consider now whatever here we are having now, this one as Q4 and D, and then we are having that all letters here we have to consider now. One tick mark is nothing, tick mark is there. Then we'll go for this one. This is over. Then what we are having now, then is there any tick mark? So here we have to move to right. Move to right. Then we are having now that A and move to right now. Then what we are going to have now, this is Q4. Right? Then the Q4, then we are having the right mark, right? So this right mark, we are moving to left. So right mark is moved to left. Then here, once again, then we are crossing C by left. Crossing C by left. Then we'll go for Q by B. So currently now, this is the case A, B, B, C. Then we are having A, B, B. So this is one tick mark. This is one tick mark. Now we are moving back, return back. So this is C. This C is crossing. Then move to left. Then we are going to have this one, right? So this is in the Q5 state. So in that position, we are having now Q5. Then already that A is copied, and we are making a tick. So for making a tick, we are making a copy, and we are ticking here. Then here we are having now Q5. So Q5 with plan. So that copy, the storage is removed now. Plan. Q5 with B. Then what we have to do is Q5. Then we are having that whatever the D we are moving now, right? So this is we are having now whatever D we are moving now until the tick mark. Until the tick mark. So that is here. Until the tick mark here we have to move that one D. And then we are having now once again, then we are having now the D, right? So this is in that one, we need to have that one as this once again the B followed by D. Then this is also B followed by D and move to left. So more than that we are going to have left. Then here we are making a tick mark. Then from the tick mark onwards, then we have to repeat the process. So we are from the tick mark. So tick mark and we are having some character. Then we have to go for the initial state. The initial state means we are reaching here. So this is the initial state. Now we are having B. So you have to take this B, and we are take this B as storage, and we have to move the same process, reach until the next character. So we are making this, you have to tick mark here, and we have to go for the next B. So the for that B, corresponding B is there. So we are making a tick mark, and then we are return back. So that tick mark we are returning back, right? So that is we are having now the tick mark with returning back, and then we'll go for the crossing C, and then we have to go for the crossing that another letters and go back now. Then next we'll go for the next character. Like we are making that everything is tick now, right? So everything is tick now. In the Q5, we are reaching now the C. After that one, we don't have any other character. Suppose we are seeing that one. So any all are tick mark. So nothing is there with blank space or with blank space. Then what we have to do is all are blank tick mark. So we have to go for the Q7B. So tick mark is there. Then we'll go for the Q7C. Then from the tick mark, then we have to consider now reaching C. So the reaching C, and then we are having now this is the midpoint that reaching C. Then what we have to do is all other tick marks. So we have to go back to then here from here to then we are having all our tick mark. Then move to right until the blank space. Then reaching the blank space, then we have to move left and we have to go for the final state. Okay, once again explain now. Can you understand now, or once again I want to explain now?
Understood, sir.
Okay, understood. Okay. Viswadeja,
Understood, sir.
Bhubadi, Bhubadi.
Yes, I understood, sir.
Okay, so this is over now, right? So here we are having now one. So first one character we are taking now. Then we are taking now that first character and we are crossing C, and the corresponding character is there. Then we are making tick mark. Then we return back. Then return back until the tick mark. The next character we have to take, and then we have to move until that checking that the next character, and we are making tick mark and return back. We have to take that next character, and you have to go for that. Placing that one, checking that last character, then we are having all our tick mark. Then if you are having tick mark, then everything is over. Then you have to consider now that all tick mark is going to have that moving now. So we are moving that all tick marks. Then at the end, we are reaching the blank space. So the last blank space. So that last blank space, then it will move to here. Then it will reach to Q9. That is the final state. So that's all for the Turing machine design for WCW. So you have to consider now that Turing machine. Okay, wait a minute. I will stop and start the same one. You are you will leave as it is. I'll stop that one as here. Just you have to manage the record. I will stop recording. Stop.